Hello everyone, and welcome to this new tutorial. As promised after the Roblox video, today I am going to show you how to install Waydroid on your Linux system. That is right, it is full Android running smoothly under Linux. Let us get started. To begin, open your browser and search for Waydroid Linux. The process depends on your distribution, such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Arch, or Mint, so always check the official Waydroid documentation to copy and paste the recommended commands. By the way, I wanted to give a huge thank you to the open source developers who constantly create and improve these tools. Thanks to them, we have amazing alternatives that make our daily lives so much easier. If you enjoyed this content, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Make sure to watch the video until the end as well. It really helps the channel grow. Speaking of which, some big Linux news is coming very soon, so stay tuned. Once you enter the commands in the terminal, your system will download the required packages and prompt you to reboot your machine. After rebooting, launch Waydroid. You will reach the second setup step, downloading the Android image, which is about 1 GB. I made several cuts in editing to speed up the video, but let me know in the comments how long it took for you and what your specs are. If you have a recent machine or touchscreen, that is a huge bonus. Waydroid adapts to your hardware and lets you run mobile apps and games even more easily. On first launch, Waydroid automatically downloads the latest system and firmware updates to ensure optimal performance. After restarting the service, you will see the Android interface with a few base apps pre-installed. Opening the built-in browser, you will notice it works just like on a smartphone. Quick tip for mouse navigation: double-click and hold, then drag up to scroll or close your windows. Now let us head over to the Google Play Store. I will skip the password entry steps, but you will see my professional email address on screen. If you would like to reach out for a future collaboration, feel free to email me directly. Once logged in, your data syncs automatically, including your contacts, messaging, and Telegram account. You now have full Play Store access to install your favorite games and apps, using them as native windows on your Linux desktop. In the settings, configuration is straightforward, covering Wi-Fi, DNS, security, and 2FA authentication codes. Quick tip for content creators: remember to hide or remove your personal credentials when filming tutorials. As for customization, you can tweak themes, fonts, and icons.
To change the wallpaper, open Waydroid's browser, search for your image of choice, download it, and set it for your home and lock screens. And that is it. We have covered the full installation and setup of Waydroid on Linux. If this tutorial helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and share the video. Take care and see you very soon. Ciao!